Hey, Boo Thing. I'm glad you're joining me for Wedding Wednesday. Welcome back to my channel. It is Wedding Wednesday. Okay, I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Thank you so much for joining me again. We're talking all things matrimony. I am really excited about getting into this unit. Excited, okay? This unit is the Sensational Bare Lace Glueless Wig Unit number 7, okay? So let me pull her out the pack. This is Bare Lace Unit 7. I had quite a bit of these, which is why I'm going through them for this Wedding Wednesday series, because I think the the curl pattern of these give love, sex, and magic, okay? So let's dig on into the details of this unit. This is a 13 by 6 lace unit. She has baby hairs throughout the perimeter. On the inside of the cap, she has 2 combs, okay? 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps, as well as an adjustable band. My wedding, I think I was so checked out. Like I said, I wish I would have worn a synthetic wig. So this is my opportunity to kind of relive it. This is the stock card, okay? Gives you a little bit of information on mother. Really cute, okay? This bare lace has a smaller grid, so it's really supposed to make for like a more seamless install. So I'm going to chop this lace off really quick, and then I'm throwing my head. All right, guys, let's dig on into this sensational glueless bare luxe lace wig, okay? They say lace so thin it looks like skin. And it looked like skin. I mean, somebody's skin. Not necessarily my skin, but it's skin. So, because of that, I did go on through and darken this lace up using my NARS Madness foundation, and I blotted it into the perimeter of the lace. Okay, so right now, I really want to make sure that we're styling this up as much as possible. I really do love this unit. For this to be a synthetic unit, there are some things that I do feel is a drawback. But if you are a babe on a budget, or you just found that you are spending the money somewhere else, we're going to get this one together anyway. Now, one of the things that I find is a drawback is the way this unit is constructed is that it has the tracks laid a certain way that causes it to pucker. Now, I do believe this is in an effort to make sure that the unit has some volume. However, when you're styling her up, like you should be able to do, because this is a 13 by 6 unit, you shouldn't be experiencing that, full stop and period. Okay, but that is not going to stop me from giving you guys a look. So I'm going on through and pinning this headpiece to the unit. Now, like any necklace or any headpiece, there are a chain link. Okay, and in that chain link, what I did was loop in the bobby pins. So when I placed this up on my head, all I had to do was stick the bobby pins throughout the unit to make sure that the headpiece was secure. Now this second look is an updo, like all of this hair is up. I'm going through and securing the back with some bobby pins. This unit really did start to come to life. Now they are saying that the lace is so thin it looks like skin, and baby, I couldn't agree more. It absolutely does look like skin. Look at that. Look at that close up right there. Okay. I appreciate that. Like I said, it's somebody's skin. It's somebody's skin. We went through and darkened this lace. That's so important for you to do that as well. This unit on most wig sites is going for less than $50. I have this unit and this headpiece on my Amazon storefront, okay? And you guys can check it out there. So I'm just going on through, making sure I style this one up properly. This is a lot of hair, and I want to give her the respect that she deserves. So I'm really just going through and
I think we did it. A nice messy bun, okay? Just for a second look, whether or not it's ceremony or for the reception, I think it's very, very
Okay, my loves,
romantic.
this is your second look. So can be like reception, or this can be more reception. You take all your pins out and then you'll have like that down look as well. I really do love giving you guys options for affordable units. I like this unit. This is unit number seven, better than I like the last one as far as the texture of the hair goes. The curl on the last one that I did, I believe it's unit number 8, was better. Okay, this one is more relaxed, but it's easier to manipulate to give you guys like a really, really beautiful regal look. I want you all to really pay attention to your food and your music. Decor, you want to blow people away, yes. But the best weddings I've been to have had great food and great music. And that's it. I don't remember a centerpiece. I don't remember none of that. You know what I mean? Because the truth of the matter is, even if you're a married person, and all the other married people, or all the other people there are married, they ain't planning a wedding, so they don't need your wedding to be inspiration. They need it to be good. Because I've also taken money out the card. If you want to know what kind of petty ass bitch I am. Okay, so I really wanted to show you guys, come through, show you guys what you could do with a synthetic unit to get her together. Let me know what you think. Are you feeling her up? Are you feeling her down? Okay, I just went through. Godmother together. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Thank you so much for joining me again. Let me know what you guys think. Are you feeling this series? Who's getting married? Who's having something special? Who's doing a baby shower? Who's? I need to know. Communion, quinceañera. I need to know. I love you all. Did I give? And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later.